What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna check some dumpsters and see if we can find some stuff today. Hopefully we can. It is a little bit chilly out and about. Got my scrappity coat on, but let's see what we can gather up. See a bag here. This person sets up out stuff a lot. I just wanted to see if there was anything in the bag. No, I don't think there is. It's a nice bag though. I do not need it. So, thought it might have had maybe a laptop or something in it. Alright, strike one, on we go. Ooh, I didn't see it coming this way, but I see it going this way. I see some scrappy metals. They had to just set that out. See me coming down through here. See if there's anything in the dumpster. Oh, a big old desk of some sort. I don't see nothing. Let's put a spongy on this. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything, but it's there. Alright, I just filled up on gas. I got $16.51 worth. That's not filling up when my odometer hits 100 miles. Is when I put more gas in it. So before we hit 100 miles, we got to make $16.51 to pay for our gas. So we will probably make that. Right now we are at, I don't know, $2 maybe. But yeah, I had to get gas. So we'll get that. My gas gauge is broke. So, or not my gas gauge. I think it's a sending unit. So that's what I have to do. Is just every time I get to 100 miles. This was only at 80, but so let's figure out, explain that to y'all. I mean, like, you know, this little truck gets pretty good gas mileage. That's the way I look at it. No, that's the way I look at it. We gotta make $16 before we fill up again. So it always pays for gas. On we go with trash picking. Now we're fueled up and we shouldn't have to stop. We're developing a color theme. We got us a scooter, man. Gonna have a pink truck by the end of the day. Well, since this is not shred, it's gonna be some breakage. We'll put it in here. I'm trying to keep everything separated as best as I can until we get into something good. On we go. Alright, can we reach it? Yeah. Got us a fold 'em up Joe. Leftover spaghetti in there. There's another quarter in the truck. Alright, on we go. There's some titty bits in here. So we'll grab them since we're so close. And we already got out and looked. I think those might be aluminum blinds back there too. Was that somebody's attempt at a grabber? I don't know. Let's see if they are, if I can get them. I don't think, maybe they are, maybe they're not. I don't know. Howdy.
Hello.
How you doing, sir?
I got a table, 6 chairs over here. They're old school, like 67.
Okay.
You may have them if you want them.
Okay.
I'd love to get rid of the damn
All right.
thing.
Right there against the, right under the flag there?
Yeah, underneath the flag.
Okay.
It's a round table.
Okay.
I got some chairs, and man, you're welcome to them.
All right, I appreciate it. I'll go over there and take a look at them.
Very welcome. Somebody could use it for a card table, poker table,
Yeah.
kids table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. All right, I'll go over there and grab them then. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can take it.
And the coffee pot, which works whenever it wants to.
Okay, yeah.
Sometimes it'll make a hot pot, sometimes it'll make a half a pot.
All right. Sounds like some of the people I know. Sometimes they're good, so sounds like some of the people that I
Yeah, I know a few.
Oh yeah, that's a good table.
Yes, it's a classic.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing that.
Oh, you bet. Thank you.
If your chair's getting no good, I'll take the stuff off, take the cutting out, see if I can't get me a little gas.
Yeah, that's what I do when I'll find a few treasures and find a few scrap. Yep, you have a good one. All right, cool. We got some books here. Rules by topic. Good to great. Let's see if there's anything cool that I want. 13 things mentally. Ugh, I'm smelling some rotten fajitas or something. Finding your element. The art of servant leadership strengthens based leadership. Oh, nothing I want. On we go. How's it going, Ray? Yeah.
Alright, I got some heavier stuff too.
Okay, yes, for sure.
I tried to catch it the other day, but you took off.
Oh, dang. Yeah, I usually come by on Sundays.
I got some stuff there.
Okay.
grab that stuff and I'll get the lawnmower.
All right, cool.
Yeah, it did run. I think it all needs is just
Carb cleaners.
a little paper pump.
Yeah. Oh. Can I take a lawnmower? Heck yeah. It's heavy stuff, boy. Oh. He hollered at me after I was leaving that one. There's some redecorating here.
So I gotta watch it.
Oh, I can get it. There we go. That'll work on it. All right. Heck yeah. Oh, I got that one other piece back there I gotta get.
Yeah.
I'm Bungee King. You been staying busy?
Well, I think I messed up my knee. I haven't been able to do crap. I just got an engine put in the truck. And
oh, dang.
I got to finish hooking up the engine on the 70 out there.
Oh, there's a chain there. All right. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah.
All right, Ray. I appreciate it.
All right. You take it easy.
You too. And anything else, just holler at me.
Oh, yeah. I don't have that surgery on my knee. I'll probably even have a short cut.
Okay, cool.
The old one on this truck.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. All right, we're doing good today. People flagging us down, so you don't have to always find stuff. People want stuff gone. What? No way. Right on top. I'll take it. That might be. I have to take this one apart if it's brass. Oh yeah, I think it is. That might be plastic or resin. Okay. Yeah, still probably take it apart. Get it clean aluminum. What is this? Good. Gosh, I'm loving my job today. We hadn't even got very far today yet, guys. I'm finding my favorite stuff. Lawnmowers and PCs and car parts. It don't matter if we find anything else the rest of the day. Now we've got our money's worth. Now it's just fun. What's in a bucket? Lowe's bucket, you know. Somebody's always needing a bucket from me. We're doing good today. It's a good day to be a scrapper. It's that time. I'll take off the jacket. It's getting hot. Having to carry car parts got me all sweaty. Boy, that is a warm jacket. That's the best jacket I own, and that's all thanks to Mr. Scrappity. So thank you, brother man. Well, so hopefully we can find some more goodies. I must have drunk myself about 16 Dr. Peppers. That one's covered in the food, man. And y'all like old Forrest Gump. Nothing. On we go. We got this good old dumpster. It's always most of the time decent to us. It's when we found the hillbilly putter in last weekend. We'll have a sign in it, at least a couple of them. In the truck. There's a tire down there. I got in a bag. No rim on it though. On we go. Holy crap. I didn't see all this. Well, there's a bunch of Farkles down there. Cords and stuff. Let's get the cords and stuff. I'm trying to think. Oh, I got that in my grabber. Maybe I can grab them one at a time, where I don't have to get my fat rear end in this dumpster. Look at all this stuff. I was gonna get the office chair. Take the top of it off. Screwdriver. And that's what we're gonna. Let's get our bucket and use it. Let this church parking lot die down a little bit before we check their dumpster. Yeah, there's all kinds. Somebody cleaned out their drawer there. We'll get that office chair. Try to at least. Yeah, there's at least a few cents in there. There's a chain of some sort. It's like aluminum. That's what it looks like. Tickets. Some more cords. It would be quicker to jump in, but I don't jump in unless I have to. Don't like to leave my truck unattended, because this is Arkansas, folks. I'm not talking bad about Arkansas, but not that the truck's worth a whole lot, but it's I'd rather it not be. We're gonna get it. We got it. We got 1 penny. Look at there. Alright. There's a water cat 5 wire right there. This one would be hard to get out of, because I am. My jumping skills have been slacking or whacking. So Zell's jewelry box, we gotta look at that, don't we? Had a penny in it, I lost it. There you go, Coonts. There's a quarter. We ain't losing that quarter. I think it's a silver quarter. I think I see 1933 on it. No, they'd look different. It's 1953 though. How about that? There's our gas money back right there. What's a silver quarter going for these days? This has got to go in my pocket. Heck yeah. I should get in now. Daggone. It was in that Zell's. I don't know what it was in. I'm looking here good now. I'll edit the boring parts. How about that? Been a while since I found some silver. It's a good day. What do you think? I'll keep it, I guess. Some pins. There's a mouse. Come on now. There we go. Now where'd all them pennies go? There's a penny. I thought it looked different. I was like, no way I'd get that lucky. Find some silver in the trash. Well, yes, I can tell they're just zinc pennies. Got that one. 81. Ain't that fun, is it, guys? You like watching me dig? Those are hard to get out. So we're leaving. There's a copper bit. Oh, it's cool, man. Deal with it later. I mean, like, they're just pennies, but I like finding them. They're hard to get with this thing. The quarter was easy. Got it. There is an aluminum cross or something. I'm gonna guess aluminum. Oh, just little knickknacks. Alright, let's... I don't see any more pennies. I think I really did get them all. Unless maybe I probably didn't. Oh, there's one I didn't get. Move this stuff. There it is. We'll get this. Man, they reinforced that chair with rebar. They welded the bottom of it. It's extra heavy. They made that for a big boy like me. Where did the penny go? I lost it, guys. Oh, there it is. It's our last one. We got it. We got them all. Alright. Let's get this chair out of here. I'm doing some lazy scrapping today. Well, this is a heavy chair. I'm not lying. Put both hands on this. This trash bag got us. There. Alright. Yeah, one of the screws are already out. There we go. Now we got her. That's a good chunk of metal. It's worth taking apart, in my opinion. Alright. On we go. I can't believe we found a silver quarter. I'll have to look real quick and see what a silver quarter's worth these days. But that's our gas money back. I think they're like a little bit. Okay, it wasn't as much as I thought on the quarters. It's between $4.90 and $7.50. So, something. But that's still like picking up a $5 bill, 100 pounds of shred. Well, almost 100 pounds of shred on 1 quarter, so it's still pretty cool. I'll put it with the rest of the silver I got stacking up from coins and whatnot, so I'll take it. That's pretty cool. Figured I'd let y'all know the value of that. Alright, on we go. Oh, it's starting. Oh, that had a full thunder of the doctors in it. Kind of dried up now. I ain't been finding anything, but that's okay. We've drove a total of 7 miles today. On we go. I hope I can reach this. Yeah. I see some copper. Come to Papa. Somebody's car alarm's going off. It wasn't me. Still has the brass and copper on it. Anything else down here? Can. Finally. Kids must have had it. Alright. Hit the button or something. Perfect. On we go. Seen a big old stick sticking out. Ah, it's a lamp. Thought it might have been a trimmer. We'll take a lamp. Couldn't tell what it was from way down there. Popcorn tin too. I need another one. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. That's Coonts foo. Hopefully it don't have no popcorn in it. It does. On we go. Man, that lid was plastic. Why'd I keep it? I wanted to get out of there before somebody came out. What are you doing in my trash can, mister? Sorry. It's always like right when you're lifting the lid, I feel like somebody's gonna come out and scream at me. On we go. All right, guys, let's see if the old oil filter dumpster has anything for us or not today. I don't think it is. I think it's retired. I've got a windshield. Oh no. Yeah, they ain't got no oil filters. There ain't a one in here. Well, I ain't have no. Oh man, that's some brake cleaner. We got us some windshield wipers though. Still got a little dab left in there. I like finding those. Alright. That's all that's in there today, folks. Deep as I'm going, I don't see no oil filters. And it's raining a little bit. Not bad, but I don't know if that helped. On we go. Ding, ding, ding. I think. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that. It's all number 1 copper too. I'm gonna put it in the trash can. Yeah, I'm walking all the way around, but I don't want that stuff getting tangled up. Bring your bucket, Coonts. Oh, that's scrap. Aluminum foil. Alright, let's get the rest of these little nuggets out of here. Oh, hello. You want to go with us too? Big old transformer? You can. Oh, okay, that's got stuff in it. I wish you would quit walking back and forth to your truck and turning your head so much. I'll try to keep it straight. Oh, I should have grabbed my bucket, honestly. We'll just stick it right there. It'll be a mess. You should back up. Alright, I'm sorry. I will stop addressing. I just think it's funny. All negative comments. What was that? Nothing. A few little. What was the other stuff at? I seen. Was it in this box? Yeah, that's it. We'll get the rest of those little bits out of there. Oh, that's some scrap metal value there. Way to go, Coonts. Dropping stuff. How dare you? Alright. I'm gonna fish the rest of those out of there real quick. That sounded aluminum-ish. I wish you would throw the light stuff in. Y'all ever look at the comments on some of the people that get so upset about this stuff? It's so funny. Not so much YouTube, but man, Facebook is hilarious. It is hilarious. I scrapped a lawnmower the other day and I made a 15-second little reel out of it. Oh, they got so mad. You could have made, I would have paid 400 bucks for that thing. No, you wouldn't have. As is, well, the motor was blown and my brother was helping, and I can scrap what I want, basically. Like, I'm not gonna unload it and touch it 100 times and part it out over months. I gotta get rid of stuff. So, I mean, like, if you're so indulged on wanting to save lawnmowers, go out there and get them. Become a scrapper. I'll have more stuff than you know what to do with, and you'll just do the same thing I is. Like, I don't know what to do with it. Nobody's coming to get it. And there's so many lawnmower guys around here. It's just like, they're like, you have no brains. Like, actually, I'm making money off this reel and the scrap, so actually, you know, whatever. Oh, it's, you know, I get it though. I think that's it. I get where they're coming from, you know what I mean? They just can't understand why somebody would scrap a lawnmower. It came from a mechanic, and it was, a rod was thrown through the motor, and I mean, yeah, you could have parted out the seat probably and stuff like that, but whatever, man. I ain't gonna stick it around that way and unload it. That thing is a beast to unload. I don't have no equipment to unload it besides good old brute force and ignorance. Hey, but we found some copper. Yeah. Cough, cough. Let's see what's in this one. Probably nothing. They've been setting stuff out. Spoke too soon. Alright, we will, I guess, use the sister grabber. Well, we got some ballasts with some good old chunky wire on it. This wire I won't strip, though. But I do get more than number 2 on it. So that's cool. A little bit of stuff in there. Oh. down in the trash can. Ooh, I see a cord. What's it to? Let's play the game. What's the cord to? What do y'all think before I pull? Take your guess right now. If you guessed a heater, you are correct. Not correct. Correct. There's a big old hole right there. I'm gonna get that dude in. There we go. I probably should have cut that off. It's alright. Anything else in here, you reckon? Nor on that side. Nor that side. I'll lift up this and I'm going to put my coat back on. Yeah. No. Oh, what is that? Maybe has some bags over here. Nothing in it. Alright, on we go. Let's close one side. Or both sides, okay. No wonder it was heavy. No cord on it. Oh gosh, it's full of monitors. I guess we'll be taking some monitors. Getting what we can anyway. It's not the ideal piece of shred, and I've got a bunch to get rid of, but you can get rid of them. Well, you know what? I don't like the way that's stacked in there very well. Can I see some more? Yeah. There's another one. There's a bunch. There's a couple more in there. Under the sheetrock. Alright, let's see if we can get it out there. Oh. Goodness. Stuck, boys and girls. Don't slide out there. There we go. I should bet there ain't no cords with them. Crackhead already got them. Anybody that's not me is a crack. No, I'm just kidding. That was me. Could have been on a screwdriver. I don't tell them what else is in here. I ain't seeing nothing else. Watch this thing. I'll pull under this and be full of something cool. Hard to tell. That's just an empty box, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that was kind of cool. I see over a pound of scrap metal on the bottom of that thing. Do y'all see it? I don't know if I can get it, but we got our grabber, and it's making us millions already. It's paying for itself. We just get a little closer. Y'all see it? Y'all see it yet? There's an earring down there too. We got it. Got us a dime. We got us some silver. I mean, that's not silver like we found earlier, but man, what about this earring? Always gotta look. You never know. I see green on it. I don't see no markings. And it's sticky. So we got us a dime. That's kind of cool. We're gonna have to empty that corn cup holder thing. All right, kind of slowed down a bit, but we still got a lot left to check, so let's keep it going. Oh, you kind of have to block the driveway. I'll have to figure out how to get this thing. Looks pretty good condition. Alright, we will set that there for now. It ain't that heavy, but we can get it. Looks brand spanking there. Can't grab that very well. Just gonna have to up and over it. This be the best way. That'll work. Put some sponges on it. And my boy Bennett was wanting a weightlifting set, so I think I'll probably hold on to this for him. Get that part of it. Oh, that's back to a office chair, isn't it? Yeah. Where's that? Oh, I don't want it though. I don't think that was part of it, was it? No. Maybe it was, but on we go. Oh God, wait. That got a big motor on it. I'm sinking it into the mud. Gosh, that's heavy. It really is. That's cool. I don't see anything else in there, do y'all? That's heavier than the weight bench was. Oh, I think. Yeah, maybe it was not that bad. Okay. We gotta put you in here somewhere, little buddy. Oh. There we go. The thing is a fight. We got one. Maybe it's one we kicked out last week, but we got one. Womp womp. Some animal crackers. Dog poo poo. You see any more pennies? Man, we're making a killing on the change today. On we go. We got a little bit of stuff in here. People around too. We'll get what we can get. What's a cord? Heads up. There's all kinds of cords in there. Pulled up a little bit more. Good looking tackle box, ain't it? tackle box? I think they might. We're gonna have to there's a lead acid battery in there. Whatever this dang tree is. Well, there went the speaker, but it's alright. Just a speaker. I'll pull up some. Is this a shadow box? Display case. Paid $40 for it. What could we put in there? Let's not grab it. Let's not grab it. Let's not take it. We don't need it. We don't need it. Why are you grabbing it? Okay. I don't care about the speakers really. Really don't care about this tree, honestly, either. I'll get the cord off of it. Let's see, lots of ammo in that box down there. We'll grab it next. If we can get it out without dropping it. Those good picking dumpsters. Trying to make a clear path for this thing. Well, I don't want that stuff to fall. See it down there? I don't know if I saved any of it or not. I think all the ammo fell out. Yeah. Sure did. It was in that paint deal. Oh well, not my problem. Just 3 or 4 rounds, look like. Golly. Bag of corks. Use them for duck hunting. Make you some camo paint with. burn them and then put them on your face. Maybe that's what they were doing with it. I'm gonna put them in a jar or something. I don't know why I'm grabbing them, honestly. Another drill. There's a toolbox right there. Okay, drill. It is a inside the drill doctor. I don't know what that is. A fancy star. Let's go put that. About this walking back and forth, guys. Really, I am. I'm not leaving my truck. There's a switch. I gotta remember that I have that grabber to get pieces of brass and stuff, or I don't have to jump in. Brass. I see another one in that box. There's a little hammer. Little bits, all that up. There's that other piece of brass. I sold all my brass the other day. If y'all seen that short. Okay. I think we got it all that I can see. We'll move some stuff around. That's just regular trash there. Yeah, just trash the rest of it. Alright, well. Besides the speakers, but I ain't too worried. Oh, those were just... It was just the casings, it wasn't the shells. Which those are brass. I'll get it. Yeah, it was empty casings. I thought still brass though. Okay. I don't know what that is down there. I need to figure that out real quick. I think that's it. I've got a bunch of junk. Yep. On we go. Today might be the day that we finally get this crutch out from under here. It's been stuck for months. We'll get some of it. Little by little, we'll get it. Well, I got the other half like 6 months ago. Oh, that was real smart, Coonts. Just left that sitting right there, and how did it ride? I don't know. I was worried about that. On we go. It wouldn't be a day without a Christmas tree, would it? Oh, I was like, say, where's the rest of it at? There it is. See a little nugget. Oh, do y'all see that? Let's also see a little penny. Yeah. What we got in the dumpster? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, where can I put this? I'm causing a ruckus. That looks like a good spot. Not that this weighs a lot or anything, but we're at the point we're just picking up small stuff and filling holes and stuff like that. On we go. Well, guys, that's all that I found. We had in my opinion, a darn good day, considering it was wet and it's wintertime. We got a mower, we got a computer, we got, oh yeah, can't forget about our silver quarter from 1953. I mean, that's older than both my parents. My grandpa was 13 years old when this quarter was made. Isn't that correct? I wonder how many hands this went through and stuff like that, and what all it's bought. That's pretty cool. I'll stick that with my silver collection that I'm going on. I picked up a few things that I probably shouldn't have, like tackle box and that shadow case and those corks. I can't help, sometimes I grab stuff and then later on I'm like, why did I grab it? But yeah, we had, I mean, it wasn't a whole lot, nothing big and heavy. We got those car parts, but yeah, this is what we found today. Hope y'all had fun, because I did. I appreciate y'all very much. Y'all guys have a good one. I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, Jensen, everybody's asking about you, how you're doing. Look, and you must be, look, what you been eating on?
Combo fish.
Oh,
Pizza.
pizza? Yeah? Did you save Daddy some pizza? Who drew a mustache on you?
Lucy.
Lucy? All right, I love you, buddy.
I'm still recording.
Yeah. Anything you want to tell anybody? Huh? Everybody likes you. They all. You get.
Can you get us some money?
Oh, stop that. We don't need no money.
Okay.
You stinker.